What's up, y'all? Today we're going to be reviewing the Inowel patio outdoor light. We're going to assemble, test, and then kind of give an overview of it. We're going to have to do a little bit of hardwiring for a second to get it really set up, but we'll see how it goes. Here's the actual light structure. Really solid, has really good weight. You could definitely hit somebody with this. We gotta do some hardwiring again. But we got some little clips. These did not come with this box, but we're gonna have to use these. Here's our parts kit, some clamps, some screws, the instructions, one Allen key. And that's all there is to it. Let's get to assembling. So we had to get a piece of plywood because we can't drill here at the apartment. But we already kind of drilled in the holes here to kind of get the bracket set up. Right? The drill bit size that we had to use was a 9/64. So, yep. Now we are going to get the rest of it assembled. Alright, so we had to get this bracket mounted to this board. This board would be your wall at your house. However, I'm in an apartment, so I can't be drilling walls or holes in the wall out on the patio, right? So we got this bracket on there. Then we had to take the Allen that comes in the box and take off this plate here so we can get this base plate connected to the board here, right? And of course, these wires would feed through that hole there to ultimately get this set up like so. We'll keep going. Voila! Here we go. This hole here and this hole here perfectly line up with that bracket in the top two holes that you see here and here. Okay, so now all I've done is I have reattached the base plate, fed the wires through the board, which would be your wall. I'm just tightening it down real fast so we can see the finished product. So we got the base plate attached to what would be the wall. We fed the wires through, right? These wires will connect to the walls coming out of your wall at your house, okay? I have the plate on, but now I'm just screwing it down, tightening it. That way we can see what the wall looks like, or what the light looks like when it's mounted. Okay, so here we go. We have the light at the final setup. We have it attached to our board here, which would be your wall basically, right? So one cool feature that I didn't mention earlier is the tilting feature of the actual light. So we have the light here. We can tilt it. You can see the motion sensors right there. Boom. Same thing. If you want to add a little spice to it or really make sure that that light is pointed in the direction that fits best for your setup. Okay, so now the light is plugged in. What we're going to do is check the motion sensor and see if it works when I walk around this corner. So here we go. Boom. There it is. Working like a champ, nice and bright. So to give you a recap, we went over the Inowel outdoor patio light. It did not have a whole bunch of assembly required. It has all the tools in the box already. At your home, when you're setting it up, you don't need this wood. We did it purely for testing purposes. You will have all the prefabricated holes and everything to set up the wires all at your home already. So all you're going to have to do is put it up there on the wall, nice and simple. We had a couple extra steps, but it turned out really nice. It's a super nice product. And again, don't forget the tilting features. I really like this light, and I want to figure out how I can use it here at my place. Thank you.